YouTube, what's going on, man? Yours truly here. If you just popping in, like, comment, subscribe. Got 5 shoes coming. Check the channel out. Today we got a special one in hand. One of my favorite silhouettes. This is a Jordan 13. This is not like an original release or anything. Like, this is Jordan putting a niche on some things and mixing some colors up. They came out with this North Carolina kind of like Tar Heel color with a little bit of that yellow ochre, which has been real popular this year. Been seeing a lot of yellow in these shoes. We're gonna get into it. Let's take a look at these right here. If you look at it, you know it got the black paws on the bottom. That suede always feels good on the 13 side. Leather popping, feels good, real bouncy. That's how I like mine. That yellow ochre on the tongue right there on your Jumpman. 13s always come with that high tongue. I like it. Stick outside the pants real good. Got your hologram on the back. Yo, let me know in the comments, do y'all ever take the little plastic off the hologram? I like to leave mine on, but if it falls off, it falls off, you know. Towards the bottom of the shoe, you got the paw prints, that panda. Got a little yellow going through the bottom, you know what I'm saying? I like the way these, this blue and this yellow kind of mixed together. They did a good job on that. To me, this was a dope colorway. As always, that side panel, man, the leather on there. I won't say all the time, but that leather on there usually really feels good. Fine piece of leather. Yeah, 13 Roman numerals usually be right there, but it's not on there right now. It's a dope shoe. I gotta admit, man, it's a real dope shoe. Let's take a look at this other one. These are, I think these are the only, no, I think there's like one more pair of 13 slated for this year. I have to check. Let me know in the comments if you already know. But all around still the same. Leather's great. Suede, brushing your finger back as you brush it. That carbon fiber on the bottom, hard as ever. Yeah, just a dope colorway, man. This is one that I'm glad I added to the collection. Like I said, we got shoes on the way. Keep checking me out. Like, comment, subscribe. Please make sure you hit that like button. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button. And we out.